Say you catch a bacterial infection and the antibiotics do nothing. Doctors already have a backup for that exactly. A living virus that hunts only bacteria, doctors call it a phage. Except that the bacteria sitting in your body has already beaten that phase too. So a team at Stanford and the Arc Institute tried something new. They built an AI that reads and writes genetic code, the same way a language model reads and writes English. Not sentences, the actual letters of DNA, A, C, G, and T. Trained on 9 trillions of those letters, pulled from 2.7 million genomes of bacteria, plants, and people. That is the same trick every language model uses, just pointed at different alphabet. And if you want more of these pulled apart like this, subscribe. Then they ask it to design something that had never existed, a brand new virus genome. The model did not stop at one idea. It produced 700,000 of them. Scientists picked up 300 that looked most promising and built them for real. Out of those 300, 16 came alive. 16 new viruses, none of which ever existed in nature until the lab made them exist. Researchers mixed all 16 into one cocktail and pointed it at the resistant bacteria. It wiped out both strains, bacteria that had already eaten every natural phage doctor had. The backup weapon just got a refill nature ever made. Here's the uncomfortable part: nothing about this process is specific to viruses. The same model that can design a cure could also easily be pointed at something else. The scientists behind EBO say the model can't do that today. But they also say that is not guaranteed to stay true. Nothing stops a different model trained by someone else less careful from trying. Right now, the only real safeguard is who is allowed to run this model. A few years ago, the story was AI reading genomes. Now, the story is AI writing them. Genome's evolution never wrote at all. The 16 viruses in that lab are proof it works. What happens next depends on less on the model and more on who is allowed to ask it questions.